All right. So now that you have your picture of your staples that you guys built on last week, so now you take that into Photoshop, and what you're going to do is you have to choose a background, choose a scene, a location to kind of place your city and build around it. So, for example, I found this picture of an ocean. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add the staples here, like along the horizon, and it's gonna look like it's just like a floating city at sea, kind of like Atlantis, and then I can add different elements around it. So first thing you need to do to crop out your staples is fourth tool down, go to quick selection tool, okay? Um, Under select subject, there's a down arrow. You're gonna click that, click cloud, and then select subject. Give it a second. It outlined everything. It did a okay job. You can see along here it didn't grab this entire staple. So make sure that your quick selection's on plus, and then you can move out your outline so that it gets everything the way that you want it. That's fine. It's not perfect, but that's good enough for this demonstration. And then copy and paste. Control C, Control V, and then you can get rid of the original layer in the background. Now I have my staples. They're here. Next thing I want to do is I want to create separation between the ocean and the sky so that I can place the staples behind this ocean so it looks like it's popping out of the water. So it's the same process. Make sure that my background isn't locked. If you see this little lock over here, just click on the lock and it'll disappear. And then same thing. I'm going to go quick selection, subject, cloud. Let's see if it actually selects the ocean. Okay, so it didn't see, it couldn't detect what I wanted to outline. So just manually do it. So just make sure that the quick selection's on and it's on plus. Brackets make your mouse bigger, smaller, and then I can just select, let it grab the whole ocean, run it across, and almost there. Same thing, Control C, copy, Control V, paste. Now you can see I have separation here. I have the original and I have just the water. So if I go and I grab it, it's its own layer. So what I can do is grab the layer of my staples and put it in between both. And now you can see it sits behind it. I can make it smaller just so that it fits. And then from here, I can go and add different elements. I can bring in like a mermaid or a whale, some birds that are sitting on top of one of the staple buildings. Just be creative with what else elements that you add on here. And then when you're done, file, export, quick export as a PNG, and then save it, upload it to your Google Classroom. That's it.